Hi there guys, and in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play Hallelujah. So the song is in the key of C, and we'll start with the verse. So the first chord I'm going to play is a C. So I'm going to put my right hand thumb on G, finger 3 on C, and finger 5 on E. So this is the second inversion of C, and in my left hand I am going to play the bass note C. So that's my first chord. Okay, and after that I'm going to go to A minor, and there's really only one note that makes this an A minor. I'm simply going to move my thumb from G to A. Okay, so here's my C and here's my A minor. Okay, and in the left hand I'm simply playing C and A, and I'm using my thumb for the C and finger 3 for the A. So I'm going to go, and I'm playing each chord for 2 counts. So I'm thinking 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Now instead of simply playing the chords like that over and over and over, I mean that can get boring quite quickly. So I'm going to play broken chords instead. And that means instead of just a block, I'm going to play these notes one by one. So I'm going to play the G, the C, the E, and come back to C and G. So I'm going that way and back. I'm going up and down, so like this. But what I'll do is I'll play my left hand bass note first. So I'll go, and for A minor, so that's what I'm going to play in the verse, and it's pretty much going to be this rhythm throughout. So it's like, well, and one way to think of this is to think of the word strawberry. So if my beat is 1, 2, 3, 4, I want to be thinking strawberry, 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 like that. Okay. So we play that in the verse until we get to, you see, one thing I'm not really a huge fan of is counting how many times do I play the C, how many times do I play the A minor. Rather, I like to think of the melody and let the melody guide me. Okay, for some people, it could be the words, and you know that when you get to this part of the verse, then things change. Okay, I'm not always good with words, but the tune I definitely remember, so I just go with the tune. So I know the song goes, and then I know here it's a different chord now. So we're going to go to F. So I'm going to play an F in my left hand, and the F that's closest for me with what I've been playing is probably this first inversion of F. And by that I mean my thumb's on A, finger 2 is on C, finger 5 is on F. So I'm playing. Okay. So now I've got, I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. Then I go to F, but you don't really. From there, I want to play a G. So for G, you could always play G in the left. We play this in root position actually. I can't promise I'm always going to be playing it in root position. I'm sure at sometimes I might play the first inversion of G, but a G is a G. Right, so G in root position is thumb on G, finger 3 on B, and finger 5 on D. If I want to play it in first inversion, my thumb's on B, sorry, and finger 2 is on D, and then finger 5 is on G. So doing that sometimes, and maybe sometimes doing this. It all depends on what I'm feeling at that time. Okay, so here is the complete verse. Okay, so you're gonna play your, I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased, then to F, and then to G, back to C and G. So all I've added there is a C and a G. Okay, so let's play that one more time. Okay, this time I'll count So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 2, G, 2, C, then G. Okay. And now we're about to say, it goes like this, the 4th, the 5th. Right, so in that part of the song, we're going to play a C. I'm going to play the same C. So it goes like this. And then for the 4th, this is actually interesting because when he says the 4th, he actually goes to chord 4. So he says it goes like this, the 4th, and then the 5th. So for the 5th, he also goes to chord 5. Okay. If you're not sure what I'm talking about by 4, 5, and so forth, please make sure that you check out this video that I made on chord progressions. Okay, because sometimes it helps to know chords by number so that you can play the same song but in a completely different key. Okay, so I'm going to go, it goes like this, then I go to chord 4, the 4th. You see, on this 4th, we do not have time to play the whole, okay, because it's only for one beat. So we actually can't go up and down, so we just have to play. And then for G, we have to do the same thing. And what am I doing there? I'm playing F in my left, and then A and C in my right. And then for the G, I'm playing G in my left with G and B in my right. Right, so it's G in my left, sorry, and G and B in my right. So it goes like this, then F to G. To the chord 6, which is A minor. Okay, we've already played A minor before. For this one, we can go up and down, and then from there we go to chord 4. I'm just going to play the same F that we've been playing throughout. So let's put that together. So it goes like this, to G, to A minor, to F. To G. I'm just going to play G in root position for now. And here's an interesting chord that we play. We're going to play an E major. So you could play that in root position, and by this I mean E, G sharp, and B. That's how you play an E major chord. Okay, if you want to play an inversion, you could be thinking, if you just want to play a big E, you could be thinking. Okay, so what am I doing there? I'm playing E, G sharp, E, a higher E, and then I'm going down the chord B, G sharp, E. Okay, if you feel like it, you could even play an E7 there. I think I do that sometimes when I'm playing in real life. So from that E or E7, you can go to A minor. And we're going to play that A minor twice. Okay, so let's play the part that it goes like this, the 4th, the 5th. Right, so it, remember, starting a C chord, I'll count us in. So 1, 2, 1, 2. It goes like this, the 4th, the 5th, the A minor, to F, to G, to E, to A minor, twice. Now we're in the chorus. Okay, so the part that we've just played now, think of that as the pre-chorus. So for the chorus, we're going to play F, hallelujah. Playing the same F we've been playing, and then I'm going to go to A minor, hallelujah. Nice thing about A minor and F is there's only one note that makes the chord different. So from there, A minor has an E, but F has got an F in it. So hallelujah. I then go to C, hallelujah, and then G. Song done. Okay, so here's that chorus one more time. So Halle, F to A minor, back to F, then C and G. Hallelujah. At this point I can go back to my intro. Okay, so I've heard people play the intros in many different ways. I think from Leonard Cohen, he might be going C and then G in his intro. So it's like, and then the song starts. But some people like to go C to A minor. So here, I mean, you and your band, or if you're playing with a singer, you feel free to play whichever intro you'd like. Or even in between the verses, you could decide to play either of the two. Okay. And I think I vary them depending on whatever I'm feeling. If I'm playing with someone else, maybe we might agree on whether we're playing C, A minor, or we're playing C and G. Okay, but if I'm playing solo, whatever I feel like. All right, so I'm going to play the entire song. I'm just going to play intro, a verse, pre-chorus, and then the chorus. Okay, so here it is. Feel free to play along with me. All right, I'm going to count us in. So 1, 2, 3, and here's the verse. Pre-chorus. Is coming. And there you have it. Hallelujah. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions, please put them in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do, and it will just help the channel grow and grow. If you've got any other songs that you'd like to learn, please let me know again in the comments. Otherwise, I will see you in the next lesson.